I'm about to ride with the homie and this new shit, yo. Peep it. What? Come on now. Let's go. This is dope.
This should already be recorded.
Hey. Seatbelt on, no cap. Damn. Oh my god. Alright, so now tell me about the radio, bro. What, you took the radio out because you wanted to do more performance shit?
No,
you just fuck the radio?
It stopped working, so I'll take it out.
It's not working?
Yep, it's not working, so I'll take it out.
It's crazy. I'm about to clock in the RPMs though. What? So alright, so what's the fastest you've been in this car? You don't know? It's like fuck speed, bitch. I pass speed.
Nigga stupid. It's not that fast.
Nigga ain't that fast. Well, okay, I hear you. But like nigga, that shit it's pretty fast. It's pretty fast. It's pretty fast, bro.
It's decent. It's fast for what it is. It's just a stop.
Yeah, there we go.
The motor is stopped, so.
Oh, the motor stopped?
All I got is bolt-ons and E85. It's not nothing crazy.
Nigga.
Like, it's swapped. It's got a motor swap, but the motor is still stopped.
I feel like you capping right now.
This nigga.
This nigga said, fuck us. Oh, damn, bro. stock nothing, bro. Do that shit in my car. If that's the case, if this shit stock, oh, hey, why is your? Oh, okay, never mind. How the fuck
You do it. You got like 5, 6 grand.
5, 6 grand? What the?
Slower. I feel like it's slower. I don't know if it is. I'm probably just used to the power, honestly.
Probably shit. That's probably why niggas. My fault. That's probably why niggas do so much work to the engine when they get so adapted to the power it gives out. They're like, man, fuck it. Now let's swap the bitch, the twin turbos and the motherfucker. Anything to make this start making that shit arrows. Fuck. All right, how do you feel about white bodies then? You don't like them? What about like Beamers and shit? Yeah, alright, man.
It depends on the car though. Some people throw them on everything.
Yeah, that's a fact. Niggas do anything that could be wild, they'll do that shit. Oh shit, hold on. So all those lights coming on? Oh, none of. Oh, so your dash, well, the RPMs work and the fuel gauge works, right?
It's gonna work, but it's running on just the battery, so it ain't gonna work right.
If I drop your phone, it's not gonna fly. It's okay. Drive way worse than
That's scary.
No.
No?
That's definitely why. definitely H2B.
Probably. Alright, so those two ride-alongs y'all just watched was filmed amidst the alternator belt problems. Actually, the first one was when the problem started, and the second one was amidst the problems. Still working on that. The belt hasn't came yet, but yeah, it'll be here at some point, and hopefully those issues are solved. And there will definitely be more ride-alongs. The first one was kind of planned, not really, and the second one wasn't planned either. We just kind of did it like out of nowhere, like, hey, let's do a ride-along real quick. But there's definitely some more in the works right now. I just got to get this thing back running, and then we're gonna have some more ride-along videos for y'all. They definitely my funnest videos to make. I love seeing people's reactions to the car. You know, I'll tell them that the car's slow as stock motor, and then they get in the car and then they be like, dang, this crap is not slow. Which the car is not, it's not scary fast, it's more fun to me. It's not scary at all, but I guess, you know, when you're in a car that's going fast on the street, you know, people be kind of scared because they don't know what to predict. They don't know what you gonna do and whatnot, so it makes it a little bit scary, but the car is not scary at all in my personal opinion. It's definitely fun though, it's a blast. So yeah, definitely trying to get some more of these ride-along videos for y'all, because they're super fun to make to me.